हमारे जो फ़लस्तीनी भाई हैं जो कि यहाँ आए, we welcome you all.
Al Khidmat Foundation, our president Dr. Hafiz Saab has guided us to do everything for Palestine, and all over in Pakistan everyone has trusted on Al Khidmat Foundation, and they have given us a huge amount of donations which we are planning to take to Palestine and do whatever we can do.
We have never and will never see someone like you in showing solidarity with us. Not just campings, combines and organization, even children's, women, elderlies. It's not a compliment, it's a fact. Ask any Palestinian that has met good people like you. Palestine is not ours alone, it's yours. This issue is not ours alone, also this issue is yours. This is not a war between Palestinian and Jews. It's a war between Muslim and Kafir, between the good and between the bad.
Our Prophet Muhammad ﷺ has formed the whole ummah, the whole nations like a one body. If any part of that body complain of anything, then the whole parts will come in hurry and help that part. And I think nowadays the heart of that body is bleeding, which is Palestine. So I am speechless and I am not able to express what's going on in my heart in front of you people, because you people did a lot with us. पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद।
हमने ये तय किया था कि जहाँ और बहुत सारे काम अल खिदमत फाउंडेशन कर रही है रिलीफ़ के और ख़िदमत के, उसके साथ साथ बुनियादी तौर पर वो हमारे स्टूडेंट जो यहाँ हमारे मेहमान हैं, जो हमारे भाई हैं, हम उनको मुख्तलिफ़ शहरों के अंदर इकट्ठे करें और उनको जो है कि उनसे एक इजहार यकजहती सॉलिडेरिटी अपने न सिर्फ फ़लस्तीनियन ब्रदर सिस्टर बल्कि फ़लस्तीनियन काज के साथ और अल कुद्स शरीफ मस्जिद अक्सा के साथ हम इजहार यकजहती करें।
ये हमारे भाई हैं और हम अल खिदमत फाउंडेशन पाकिस्तानी कौम इनके साथ है। अभी तक हमारे साथ 80 स्टूडेंट एनरोल है, तो उन सब के लिए अल खिदमत की तरफ से इनकी जो भी यहाँ यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में और कॉलेजेस में और जामियात में जो उनकी मुश्किलात है, अल खिदमत फाउंडेशन इंशाल्लाह उन सब मुश्किलात में उनको हल के लिए उनके साथ खड़ी है।
Al Khidmat Foundation, the only organization who stand with us and give us a lot of things. All the problems are solved. Alhamdulillah, what you have done for us, we can't pay back this favor for you guys. Thank you, appreciate Al Khidmat Foundation. What I want from you, that don't forget Gaza, boycott Israeli product, post, share. Keep your eyes on Sudan also, not only Palestine. We all are brothers. As you feel on us, we are feeling on our other brothers who are present in Sudan, in Kashmir, in Palestine. So please keep our eyes, keep your eyes on them. Again, boycott Israeli product. Post, share, talk. Don't forget, don't stop. It's our blood. We will not forget. Free Palestine, Pakistan, Zindabad. Thank you.
Pakistan
Zindabad.
Pakistan
Zindabad.
Palestine
Zindabad.
Palestine
Zindabad.
Khidmat Foundation
Zindabad.
Khidmat Foundation
Zindabad.